Hi everyone, my name is Teun and I've been working here the last 2 weeks with Sam for building the prototype at Smits Vastgoed. We've been working on the ground floor walls. We make separate modules so that they can be easily placed at the Green Village. To do this we made some wooden frames and we bolted them together with the OSB plate. Then we flip them around, make some holes for electricity, and then we put on the insulation, the recycled cotton, and then we finish it off on the interior with the Fermacell for the fire safety.